Annyeonghaseyo, Jojo. So today, Kuya Rex delivered 2 sacks of rice, which consist of 5 kilos each. So here. And 1 box of choco pie. And then 500 pesos for pocket money. And it is from Isu Siginim. Isu Siginim. Bye-bye.
Chusung Jinim, Annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Jaymar.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Since you're not attending during live yesterday, so your sponsor give you 1 bugas and 1 milk. That would be from Chocominim.
Chocominim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
And Chocominim give monthly donation 5,000. And 2,000 saving money. That would be from Chocominim.
Chocominim, 감사합니다.
And 1,000 for SG Nim.
SJ님, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
And 500 for Yongchol Nim.
영철님, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Jorain.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Since you're not attending during live yesterday, so your sponsor give 2,000 to your mom. Gegom Dorinim give you 2,000 for your allowance.
Gegom Dorinim, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
감사합니다 for my school supply. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. This is what Samantha bought in the Sari-Sari store. Serve, juice, snacks, juice, and also this one, beef loaf, and coffee, and this one, fabric conditioner.
Uncle Victor name, annyeonghaseyo, 감사합니다.
감사합니다, Victorine, for the 500 pesos worth of groceries.
감사합니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, Yara.
Annyeonghaseyo, teacher niya.
You just arrived from school?
Yes, teacher niya.
Anyways, earlier during our live event in our area, So yung Phil name gave us snacks, soft drinks, and pizza. And that is yours.
So yung Phil name, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. So yung Phil name. 안녕하세요, Yara.
안녕하세요, teacher niya.
Chaji name gave you 100 pesos allowance.
자지님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
And Wiparamnim gave you 100 pesos allowance.
안녕하세요. 위파람님 감사합니다.
Bye-bye. Fighting.
파이팅.
안녕하세요, Andy.
안녕하세요, teacher niya.
You just arrived from school. Anyways, Wiparamnim gave you 500 pesos allowance.
위파람님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Yeah. Kamsahamnida, Wiparamnim. Kamaon na ka multiplication? 8 times 6. Ha? Study multiplication ha. Fighting.